Hi, this is Bob Tamburi with Ashley Audio. We're here at ISE 2020 in Amsterdam, and this year we've got a flood of new products. To start you off, our new FA series. This is a compact high-density Class D series designed for compact situations where you can't fit a full-sized amplifier. So great for applications like conference rooms, hotel kiosks, retail kiosks, places where you need to hide the technology and yet it needs to still be robust enough and handle those bigger tasks. There's three new models. We offer a 2-channel 125 watt per channel version, a 4-channel 125 watt per channel version in half rack format, and then also 4 times 250 watts in a full 1U version. Unique to these are that they are Energy Star capable, which means they will be very big on energy savings, as well as have the ability to shut down and power up automatically. So they're a little bit less maintenance, a little more maintenance free than typical amplifiers. The two half rack versions on the top actually do power sharing, which allows you to share the 250 watts that the pair offers between the two. So you can shift all the power to one side or the other, or it will automatically balance that out to meet the load that you're connecting to the amplifier. All of these offer multi-mode selection, meaning you can select the impedance on each output. So some channels can operate in a low impedance mode for larger speakers, and others can be selected to either 70 or 100 volt for doing distributed audio applications. There's built-in automatic DSP, which you don't even have to worry about. It just knows when to work, things like limiting and high-pass filtering to accommodate those types of situations. And again, these are really just the right size and power level to handle those common tasks where you would typically use a bigger amplifier but just don't have the real estate. These are going to be shipping very, very soon. There's more information on these available at our website, so go visit ashley.com. And we'll see you at the next show with even more good news. Thanks for joining us here at ISE.